Today, we approved the next tranche of applications for electronics component manufacturing scheme. And with this, we now have total of 75 projects which are approved for the ECMS program. Total 61,671 crore का investment आएगा and 65,000 direct jobs. आज जो अप्रूव हुए हैं उसमें फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट फॉर SMD पैसिव कैपेसिटर्स. These are SMD passive capacitors. Regular capacitor looks like this. So getting this technology was the next step after getting the capacitor manufacturing capability. So it's a very heartening thing that our first project for SMD passive capacitors has been approved today. This is the flexible PCB. Flexible PCB is really high-end PCB. Flexible PCB will also be now manufactured in India. Very happy to share that the first rare earth permanent magnet unit is also approved today. And the best thing is the entire technology of this company is their own technology, their own IP, अपनी खुद की technology उन्होंने बनाई है. This is a group of IIT Kanpur pass outs. Another big milestone that we achieved today is 6 projects जो कि capital equipment बनाएंगे और precision manufacturing and machinery बनाएंगे. Next हमारा बड़ा approval आज हुआ critical components for telecom sector. All these were imported. Now they will all be manufactured in India. Out of the 75 project approvals, by now 28 projects have started construction already.